Hey guys, it's Sandy. Today I have a Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I got it a little while earlier and I'm super excited to show you what I got. So, just gonna get started. First is the Tom Ford Extreme Eye Color Quad in Badass, and I already dipped into it. Spoiler, there's probably a video coming on this eye look, but this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty, real easy to work with. I liked it, like it. Hold on, let me open this. Why are you telling me no? Really? You don't recognize my face? Okay, so this retails for $88 as Tom Ford eyeshadow quads typically do. Then we have Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches, 60 patches, 30 pairs, and this retails for $18. So I'm not gonna like open it, but that's what that packaging looks like. I'm not that into eye patches, but you know, let's give it a shot. Next we have this Lina Choo 4 mini lipstick set. That's what that looks like. And I haven't looked at all the colors. I just went online to see how much it cost. Oh, this retails for $55. There's this shade right here. And that is called 5 Matisse. Next we have 3 Mucha. That's what that looks like. I'm not gonna swatch them because what if I don't end up keeping them? I don't know. This one is number 7 Raffaello. Very terracotta orangey. Like it. And the last one is number 18 Frida. Ooh, that's bright. But that is bright. I like it. I like it a lot. So these are nice. I've never heard of Lina Choo, but as long as it don't have lumps and bumps like somebody's lipsticks, I think we'll be okay. Next is this Hourglass strobe lighting blush, and I've been wanting to try Hourglass blushes, but never got around to it, and then, you know, their color range sucks, so I decided I wasn't gonna, and that's what that looks like. Not wearing it today. I actually forgot I had gotten a blush and just used something else. Oh, Hourglass blush retails for $40. I also got a Sonia G brush. It's the Crease 2. Hold on, I'm making a ruckus. Already used it too. Clean this off for you. So that's what that looks like. Sonia G Crease 2 retails for $34. Yeah, $34. Love it. Love Sonia G. Her brushes are awesome. Then we have Natasha Denona liquid eyeshadows. This is the Chroma Crystal mini set for $25, but it's 50% off right now, so technically you could buy it for $12.50. And I'll tell you the, you know, the total difference with the two. Oh, they're stuck together. Yeah. Anyway, so that's what those look like. Not a big liquid eyeshadow type of person, but definitely down to try that. Next I got the Oribe Gold Lust Body Oil. This retails for $62. Come out, pretty bottle. Look forward to look. That has a like a dropper situation. I look forward to trying that out. We Also have the Holly Frog Centipede Sacred Sea Brightening Powder Wash in Buff Coconut Milk. Cute little bottle. It sure is powder. I don't know if you can see in there. I'm not gonna pour that out. Ooh, that should be fun. Try. And last, I got a Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie. I've been wanting to try these too. So in total, I paid like $180. You know, I got the extra large bag this time. First time I scored. So total, I paid $180 something or whatever, and in product I got $372.50's worth. However, with that one Natasha Denona liquid eyeshadow being on sale at 50% off, this whole thing comes to about $160. So I either got $372 or $360 worth of product. Either way, it doubled what I paid, essentially. Am I happy? Clearly the reaction I can't spell. Like, it's not bad. Like, I'm content with the value of products that I got. There are a lot of things that I haven't tried before. I wouldn't really be trying if it weren't in the box, but you know, time to try new shit. It's cool, whatever. I'm happiest about, obviously, the Tom Ford Quad, because that's pricey, it's expensive. And maybe the Oribe Gold Lust, the second most expensive thing, huh? Body oil, hair, body, face. See how that works out. So yeah, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. I also forgot to show you guys the tag as per usual. I'll read it. Do I normally? I don't know. Most of the time I don't. Anyway, so it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character on this year's Lucky Bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. Lucky Bag 2021, Beautylish, calligraphy by Oi Yamaguchi. Okay. Okay, bye.